have learned the problems on general form of the equation. Now, in this section, we are going to discuss the equation of circle passing through diameter extremities. That means equation of circle for the diameter. Before going to the equation, let's know what is the diameter. See here, if I have a circle, this is the circle. If the diameter, it means A comma B, a points. If a line passing through 2 points, that means a line should pass through with 2 points. That means I have taken these 2 points as 1 point as A and 1 point as B. 2 points along with the center. Then this line is said as diameter. A line passing through 2 points along with the center is said as diameter. Now we'll see the equation. Now this is the circle. We know this is the diameter. Now this is the xy coordinate system. X, y. For this, the equation is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equals to 0. This is the equation of circle passing through the diameter. By simplifying, we get x square plus y square minus x into x1 plus x2 minus y into y1 plus y2 plus x1 x2 plus y1 y2 equals to 0. This is by simplifying we'll get x square y square minus x into x1 plus x2 minus y into y1 plus y2 plus x1 into x2 plus y1 into y2 equals to 0. This is the equation of diameter. Now let's see the problems on this diameter. For the problem, find the equation of circle for the endpoints of diameter which they have given 1, 2 and 4, 3. So they have given, this is the circle. Let's think this is a circle. Okay. And they have given one endpoint, that is 1, 2 and 4, 6. That is, let's think A. And this is B. This is x1, y1 and x2, y2. We know the formula for this, that is x square. You can use both formulas. By simplified only we have got this x square plus y square minus x into x1 plus x2 plus minus y into y1 plus y2 plus x1 x2 plus y1 y2 equals to 0. Okay, now we have to substitute x1 y1 value and x2 y2 value. X square plus y square minus x into x1 is 1 plus 4 minus y into 2 plus 6 plus x1 x2 4. That means, okay, I'll write here 1 into 4 plus 2 into 6 equals to 0. So x square plus y square minus 4 plus 1 5x minus 6 plus 2 8y plus 4 plus 12 equals to 0. Now final equation, minus 5x minus 8y 16 equals to 0. This is the equation, final equation. This is the equation of circle passing through the endpoints of the diameter. Next, we go for another problem. Next, we go for the another problem. So, if the axes of points a comma b are the roots of equation x square plus 2ax minus b square equals to 0 and ordinate of a comma b or the root of y square plus 2py minus q square equals to 0, find the equation of circle for which AB bar is a diameter. First, we have to divide the equation into parts. Okay. First, what we have to find out? Fine. We have to find out the equation. For what? For the diameter. They have represent the diameter point as a comma b. So, we have written a b points. Let a point is x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. This is one part. Okay. Next, what they given? If the axis of point, axis is nothing but x point. Here the x1, x2 are the axis of points. So here x1, that means only x points, that represented as axis. Which are the roots for the given equation? They have given one equation, that is x square plus 2ax minus b square equals to 0. They have given equation here. For that, the roots are axis of points. Okay, we'll see next. This is one part. Next, and ordinate. Ordinate means y1, y2. Y points are the ordinate and x points are the axis. This is x points. Ordinate means y point. Don't confuse. Ordinate and axis. So y points are the roots of the y square plus 2py minus q square. So first we have to find out the roots and we have to substitute the equation of the diameter. Okay. See here, this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Right? This is in the form of. Okay. For this is the quadratic equation. We will discuss in next chapter. This is the quadratic equation form. In this, the roots, we know the sum of the roots and product of the root. We know the sum of the roots of the quadratic equation for this is minus b by a. We'll see this formula in quadratic equation chapter. We have now just remind this, sum of the roots of the quadratic equations are minus b by a and the product of roots equals to c by e. This is the formula for the roots of the quadratic equation. So they have given same as the equation here. So let's think a. Have to substitute that sum of the root of the quadratic equation in this. So we have to substitute roots. Okay. First, x point roots. This is the x point roots. So this is x1, x2 are the abscissa. So they have given x points. First we have to find out sum of the roots. x1 plus x2. What are the points they have given? x1, x2 equals to. What? The formula for this? Minus b by a. Now x1 plus x2 equals to. Minus b here, what is there? 2a. That means x coefficient. 2a by a means here we have to compare that. bx plus c. We have to compare. See, x coefficient is here b. So here b is x coefficient. Likewise, we have to substitute x coefficient is 2a minus 2a and a is x square coefficient. X square coefficient is 1. So x1 plus x2 equals to minus 2a. Now we have to find out the product of the root. Product means x1, x2. x1, x2. Now x1, x2 means we know the formula c by a. See here, c is the constant value and a is x square coefficient. Here constant value is minus b square. So 1. So the product of the root x1 x2 or minus b square and x1 plus x2 is minus 2e. Likewise, we have to do for the ordinate for the given equation. Same like as for the abscissor point, we have to do for the ordinate points. Now, sum of the roots. Sum of the roots. Here, what's the sum here for ordinate? y1 plus y2. y1 plus y2 equals to, we know the formula for the sum of the root of quadratic equation is minus b by a. That means minus x coefficient by y coefficient. Here, they given as y square. So here we can represent with the y coefficient. Here this is the y coefficient. So minus 2p. Y square coefficient is 1. So minus 2p. Likewise, we have to do for the product of the roots. For what? Ordinate. That means y1, y2 equals to c by a. C means constant. So constant here minus q square by y square coefficient is here 1. So that equals to q square. So y1, y2 equals to minus q square. These are the sum of the roots for y1 plus y2 is minus 2p and y1, y2 equals to minus q square. Now these what we have got roots, we have to substitute in the equation. Now these are the roots which we have discussed and now we have to substitute in this formula, that is equation of circle for the diameter formula. This is the diameter equation of circle formula. X square plus y square minus x into x1 plus x2 minus y into y1 plus y2 plus x1 x2 plus y1 y2. Now we have to substitute the roots which we have got before. X square plus y square minus x into x1 plus x2 is minus 2a minus y into y1 plus y2 is minus 2p plus x1 x2 means minus b square. y1 plus y2 is minus q square equals to 0. This is the equation we have got. Now x square plus y square plus 2ax plus 2py minus b square minus q square equals to 0. This is the equation of the diameter when a points of the roots, abscissor points for the x square plus 2ax minus b square and the y points of the roots y square plus 2py minus q square. This is the equation. So don't confuse in it. Read the problem twice or more and understand what they have given, and you divide the parts of the question and write one part. What the given question. Okay. Next we go for another problem. Okay. This is the another problem. Show that 3 comma minus 1 lies on the circle. That means they have given a point. So they have given, this is the circle. This is a point, 3 comma minus 1. On the circle they have given the equation of the circle and also find the other end. We have to find out the other end. That means b. x2 comma y2 we have to find out and center. So diameter means definitely the line will pass through the center. So we have to find out the b value. Okay. First show that this point is lies on the circle. First we have to prove this point is lying in the circle or not. First we have to substitute here. A point what they have given 3 comma minus 1. That is x1 comma y1. That means xy point. For this now substitute in this. If we got 0, then the point is lying in the equation of circle. 3 whole square plus minus 1 whole square minus 2 into 3 plus 4 into minus 1 equals to 0. 9 plus 1 minus 6 minus 4 equals to 0. So 0 equals to 0. Yes, we have showed that. We have proved that. That means the point is lying in this circle. Next, also they have given two questions. Show that A point lies on the circle, and also first we have proved first part. Next, and also find the other end. We have to find the other end. Next, okay. They have given one equation, right? From this equation we can easily find out the center. First we have to find out center to find B. First we will find out first center. Center means first we have to find out G. So 2G equals to minus 2. G equals to minus 1. 2F equals to 4. F equals to 2. So center minus G comma minus F equals to 1 comma minus 2. So the center is 1 comma minus 2. Okay. Now we have to find out B. See here this line. We know the formula here. In before chapter I think so. Midpoint. In coordinate system we have learned the midpoint. That means to find out x comma y point, there is a formula here. x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the formula. Let's x comma y is the center. Now x comma y is the center, and this point x1 comma y1 is x1 comma y1. Now we have to find out the x2. Now substitute the values here. X comma y means what we have got the center 1 comma minus 2 equals to x1 is 3. Now we have to find out the x2. x2 is the question mark that you have to find out. x2 by 2 comma y1 is minus 1 plus y2 by 2. Now we have to equate. So 3 plus x2 by 2 equals to 1 comma minus 1 plus y2 by 2 equals to minus 2. We have to simplify. Now 3 plus x2 equals to 2 minus 1 plus y2 equals to minus 4. x2 equals to 2 minus 3. y2 equals to minus 4. This minus when will go that side means plus 1. x2 equals to minus 1. y2 equals to minus 3. That's it. The x2 comma y2 equals to minus 1 comma minus 3. This is the question they have asked you to find out. Now we'll see the parametric equation. Our next topic. Parametric equation. Okay. What it means by parametric? It is nothing but representing in the form of angle and radius. Okay. Now initially let's start with the circle. This is the circle having center h comma k and the radius r. Okay. Now this a line which is passing through a point P. Here is the angle. Maybe it in clockwise or anti-clockwise for the radius. The parametric equation, we know this. When a circle, equation of circle passing through h comma k and radius is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. This is the formula for this. For this, we have to find out the parametric equation. That means from this, x minus h equals to r cos theta. This is the angle, right? Let it be a theta. And y minus k equals to r sin theta. Now, when we substitute these two values in this by reducing cos square theta plus sin square theta equals to 1. When we substitute there, that will become LHS equals to RHS. So, from this, the parametric equation of 1 equals to, first one is h and y equals to or sine theta plus k. This is the parametric equation of circle for a point center. That means for a point of a center h comma k and with radius r. And very important note, this condition will be satisfied for 0 is less than, that means whole circle, whole 0 is less than or equals to, theta is less than or equals to 2 pi for any angle. That means 360 degrees, total 360 degrees. That theta is belong with between 0 and 2 pi. Next, we see for the parameter. This is a special cases for this. If having a center 0, 0 and having the radius r, this is the theta. For this, we know the formula for this. That means we know the equation. That is x square plus y square equals to r square. This is the equation for a circle with center, origin and radius r. For this, the parametric equations are x equals to r cos theta, comma y equals to r sin theta. This is the parametric equation for this circle, and this is also a note, important note, which lies between, the theta lies between 0 and 2 pi. Next, we go for next. For this general form of equation, the parametric equations are x equals to minus g plus or cos theta, comma y equals to minus f plus or sin theta. This is the parametric equation for the general form of the circle. For this also a note, which the theta lies between 0 and 2 pi. Now we go for the problems on the parametric equation. Now we'll see the problems. For first, x square plus y square equals to 4. They have given this question. So which is in the form of, it is passing through the origin. That means x square plus y square equals to r square. First we have to find out r here. R is 4, r square. We know the formula for this parametric equation are x square plus h square equals to r square. R square means r will become r square equals to 4. That is r equals to 2. That means parametric equation is x equal to 2 cos theta, comma y equals to 2 sin theta. This is the parametric form. Next, it is in the form of x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. In this they have given r square. R is here 8. So h is 3. X minus, in the formula of equation only we having x minus h. Here the parametric equation for that is h plus r cos theta. So x equals to h is 3 plus r is 8 cos theta and y equals to 4 plus 8 sin theta. Next, this is in the form of circle equation, that means general form. First we have to find out g here and r, right? First we have to find out g in this and we have to find out r by using the formula. Now in this question we have to find out the parametric equation. So what's the parametric equation of general form? So x equals to minus g plus r cos theta, y equals to minus f plus r sin theta. First we have to find out g, then after we go for r. First g. From this g equals to minus 4, g equals to minus 2. Likewise 2f equals to minus 6, f equals to minus 3, c equals to minus 12. From this we have to find out r. Next r, we have to find out g, f. Then g is minus 2 whole square plus minus 3 whole square, minus into minus plus 12. We know the formula for r, root of g square plus f square minus c. So minus into minus plus, so 12. equals to root 25, that equals to 5. So R is 5, G is minus 2, F equals to minus 3. Now substitute in the parametric equation. So minus G is minus 2 plus 5 cos theta, comma, Y equals to minus F, minus of minus 3. F is minus 3 plus 5 sin theta. So 2 plus 5 cos theta, that means x equals to, comma, y equals to 3 plus 5 sin theta. This is the parametric equation of this circle. Now in this section we have learned the equation of circle with diameter and the parametric equation and then problems on the parametric equation. Next we go for another problem on the next section. If you have any queries, just comment me in the comment box.
Thank you and please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.